So if you're a dentist and you want to send your associate to your training, tell us some of the benefits there and what you offer.
Absolutely. So one of the most profitable procedures in dentistry these days is going to be orthodontics, and it's going to be surgery. Hands down, those are the two that have the best ROI for the amount of time you're going to put in for the procedure.
Okay.
Now for us, we have Colorado Surgical Institute. It's going to teach your associates how to be more productive with their time. It's going to take them from either novice to intermediate or intermediate to all-star, because we have different programs set up in a way where it's, okay, maybe they're brand new and they need to learn how to just do regular extractions. Well, okay, we're going to teach them that, and we're going to teach them how to do it efficiently, and we're going to teach them how to do bone grafting. So not only are you making the revenue off the extraction, you're making the revenue off the bone grafting. And then let's say they come in and they know that. Well, we're going to take them from that and we're going to teach them complex bone grafting, complex implant placements, and we're going to make them more profitable every time they come in. But for an owner's perspective, it's going to be like, okay, well, what exactly can they do? We're going to give you a list of things that you need to buy from an economic perspective. Okay. That's the bare minimum to get that associate up and running in your practice. It's going to be a how-to. It's going to be a recipe on how I take my doc and make them more successful within my business by sending them to your course. Because for me, if I was sending an associate out to a course that I didn't actually do surgery, and then they came back, I wouldn't know what to buy them. So we're going to get them set up, and we're going to give you all the information you need so you can make your practice more profitable.
So they come back, obviously, after the trainings, and then they tell the dentist owner, we need to do this, 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 and this, and this, and sometimes they're probably going to say, I don't know. So you give them a list of the systems they need to put in place and the equipment they need to buy.
Exactly.
That's affordable.
Exactly. And that's the thing. Sometimes they'll come back and say, hey, I need the latest and greatest, most expensive thing out there. Well, from an owner's perspective, it's like, why don't you do 100 of them and then we'll buy you the latest and greatest. So we're going to give you the economic options to pick from, and we're going to give you the advanced options to pick from. But we're going to tell you everything you need to get your practice up and running so you can send someone there with confidence, knowing that that investment in that associate is going to come back and generate dollars for you on your end.